at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of Frozen Heirlooms Hockey for canesfanbob. Box 6. Good luck, Bob. Looks like we got PSA DNA, SGC, more than likely SGC. Top card, and SGC, it looks like. All right, we got Ken Hodge. Super rookie, O-Pee-Chee Ken Hodge for the Boston Bruins. Then we have Craig Simpson, Edmonton Oilers. Super break certified autos, and Larry Robinson. It's like the third Larry Robinson in this case. 90-91 score. Larry Robinson. Score 90-91. All right, thanks, Bob. Appreciate it.